Hello, my name is Dr. Voleti. I'm one of the sports medicine specialists at Montefiore Medical Center. In the Division of Sports Medicine, we see patients as young as teenagers and as old as patients in their 80s or 90s. Patients of all ages suffer from knee and shoulder injuries, so it's not uncommon for us to have a wide variety of patients. So the most common type of surgery that we do as sports medicine surgeons is arthroscopic surgery. But what that means is that we use a camera and we insert it into the joint of interest to view inside the joint. Using special arthroscopy equipment, we're able to manipulate the tissue inside the joint minimally invasively so that we do not need to open up the entire joint for the surgery. Another one of the benefits of working in the Division of Sports Medicine is that we work with a lot of young athletes. In fact, we cover a number of high school and college as well as professional sports teams. This is a very gratifying part of our jobs. We like to see athletes return to their level of function that they're interested in and to continue to participate in the sports that they love.